They say that marriages are made in heaven. Today there are many marriages that are on the verge of breaking down. Young men and women are unhappy in their marriages and struggling with decision whether they should file for divorce. Professional guidance and consulting with a family law attorney and a therapist is recommended to make informed decisions. Here is a quiz to help you to reflect on your situation before taking the next steps to filing for divorce. This quiz can help assess whether the grounds for divorce are valid and whether pursuing divorce is a reasonable course of action. Keep in mind that this quiz provides a general evaluation and should not replace legal advice from a qualified attorney. The quiz aims to guide your consideration of the divorce grounds. Divorce validity assessment quiz. Answer each question with yes or no. Write down the count of yes answers on a piece of paper for the assessment. Have you and your spouse experienced ongoing conflicts that significantly impact your daily life and well-being? Yes, no. Have you attempted couples therapy or counseling without significant improvement in your relationship? Yes, no. Is there physical or emotional abuse in your marriage that threatens your safety or well-being? Yes, no. Has infidelity occurred in your marriage, and there's a lack of remorse or effort to rebuild trust? Yes, no. Are financial disagreements and disputes causing significant stress and tension in your marriage? Yes, no. Have you and your spouse grown apart over the years, no longer sharing common interests or goals? Yes, no. Is there a persistent lack of emotional intimacy and communication in your marriage that makes you feel isolated? Yes, no. Have you explored all possible avenues for reconciliation, such as mediation or collaborative divorce? Yes, no. Is there a severe and unaddressed addiction issue within your marriage that poses a risk to your family's well-being? Yes, no. Is staying in the marriage primarily for the sake of your children, despite ongoing unhappiness? Yes, no. Have you discussed your concerns and feelings with your spouse, and are they open to working on the marriage? Yes, no. Is substance abuse or addiction an issue within your marriage that leads to arrests or legal problems? Yes, no. Are you consistently unhappy, unfulfilled, or is your mental and emotional health suffering due to the marriage? Yes, no. Do you have a clear understanding of the legal process and requirements for divorce in your jurisdiction? Yes, no. Have you consulted with a qualified attorney to understand your rights and options before making a decision? Yes, no. Scoring. Count the number of yes answers. Interpretation. 0 to 5 yes answers. It may be worthwhile to explore other avenues, such as counseling or mediation, before pursuing divorce. 6 to 10 yes answers. Your situation shows signs of marital distress, and consulting with a therapist or attorney is advisable. 11 to 15 yes answers. There are valid grounds for considering divorce, and you should consult with a qualified attorney to discuss your options and the next steps. Hope this quiz was helpful to clear your thoughts. Please follow and subscribe for similar quizzes regarding judicial separation, alimony, parental plan, child support, child access, child custody, parental alienation, non-custodial parents, and similar legal matters.